Wait. No. Alright, I won't. The computer... There. I can't drink while this is happening. Wait, who's on top? That's not right. It has to be the other way.
Fine. He's not happy that he's on top.
Unless Ash's
His legs are broken.
what did you do to his leg? Oh, he's a stick. What am I saying? Give me those.
They bowed.
They bowed after having sex.
It's a great show. Let's watch it.